Hey YouTube, welcome to Farm 26. Just thought I'd show you how this nice little, well, they call it record-breaking cold snap is, but I tell you what, it was colder than 96, but I think this is the longest run we've had. But this has been my start to just about everything the last week and a half. Man, I love this 22, 24 below at night. All right, catch you later. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Well, she's been on the cord for about 4 hours. It was 26 below last time we tried it. Let's see how she goes now. That's just how you know she's cold. Well, we're on 26 here. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.